me.
What does that mean?
Oh, well, we are heating and air conditioning technicians. What we do is install heating and air conditioning units.
How do I know if I want to be this?
You have to be very hands-on, kind of active, and know how to follow good directions.
Thank you.
See ya.
Whoa, are you guys installing an air conditioner? How much do you guys make?
We make 47K a year, and we have a 50% job outlook.
Oh wow, alright, that's pretty cool. Where do you guys work?
Our company is the best at installing air conditioning and heating ventilation.
We make sure that your system is running under EPA rules.
Cool.
Hey guys, do you guys have any student debt?
Not at all. All we had to do was take this program that trains us from 6 months to 2 years.
Is there any way you can like shorten the process?
Yes, you can earn an electrician degree or a technician degree or work with electricians beforehand. But we also install air conditioning into buildings such as offices and schools.
One more question. Do you guys get injured doing the job?
We do have a high rate of injuries and occasional frostbite, but no big deal, right?
No.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you.
We start. Okay.